Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a card on the Raid Shadow Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Raid Shadow Legends game on your device and complete the basic tutorial levels if you are playing the game for the first time. Once you have been taken into the home page, if you wish to redeem a card, then there are various different methods. You can either purchase rewards by tapping on the purchase rewards option or within the shop tab at the bottom left. From here you can tap on the cards section and you will be able to see the various different cards that you can buy. You can also use redeem codes in order to redeem a card onto your account. To do this, tap on the menu icon at the left side and this will open up the menu page. From here, just tap on promo codes and you will be allowed to enter your promo code. Just enter your redeem code within the given box and tap on the confirm button. Once you confirm with your redeem code, you will immediately be given the reward that is associated with this code. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem a card on the Raid Shadow Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.